Hey y'all, we're gonna be going to the park to do some Pilates and
homework.
And then the next clip is going to be us at the park and we do yoga and schoolwork. Hello, we are now at the park and it is so cute and so beautiful. Like what? And then I have placed out my yoga mat and my love's picnic blanket. For after I'm finished with my yoga, we could just lay down and chill, enjoy the nature, and it could be very excellent. And the view is amazing and excellent. Like, it's a beautiful day.